Hey there, welcome to URST, the ultimate retro shooter template. This guide will walk you through installing the template, understanding how the files are organized, and exploring the demo levels. First, let's start with installing the template and loading the project into Godot. Download the template zip file and extract it to a folder on your computer where you will store and work on your project. Launch the Godot 4 engine. Make sure you are using Godot 4 or later. From the Godot Project Manager, click the Import button on the top bar. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the template. Select the project Godot file and click Open. Click Import and Edit to launch the editor. The first time you open the project, Godot will spend a few moments importing the assets and shaders. The project has clean folder structure to prevent your custom assets from getting mixed up with the template's core mechanics. The core folder contains all the foundational scripts, base scenes, and core systems. All created scenes in the template are inherited from the core prefabs folder within this folder. Please be aware that you should not modify these files unless you are extending mechanics and know what you're doing. You should always make new inherited scenes instead of editing them directly. The default assets folder is where the template default assets are, such as audio, textures, sprites, enemies, and so on. You can duplicate what you want into the Your Assets folder and modify them, while keeping the original files as backup. You can also see how they are structured and how the core prefabs are used. All scenes here are inherited from the core prefab scenes. The levels folder simply contains the included demo levels, which are showcase map with almost everything the template offers and the gameplay level example. The Your Assets folder is where you should structure and place all your project files. The README file contains information about the project, while the second README file contains the third-party assets credits and their licensing requirements in case you decided to use included assets in this template. The best way to understand the capabilities of U.R.S.T is to play through the included showcase levels. So let's run the project. This first map is designed as an interactive showcase of the template. As you walk through, you will see the majority of the core systems and mechanics in action. Next to each showcased scene, you will find an in-game image displaying the exact inspector settings used to configure it. Take your time working around and reading all the notes and trying all the mechanics. Once you reach the end of the showcase map, interact with the level exit trigger zone by walking into it. The exit will transition you to a second map. This serves as a basic demo of how a completed playable game level looks and flows using the template. Keep in mind that it only scratches the surface of what U.R.S.T can actually do. That is all for now. In the next video, we will be going into the player controller and all its customization and mechanics.